everyone, this is Melissa with the Budgeting Sisters. Wanted to give you a quick little update of something we've been planning. Now, I was trying to get this out last night and it just didn't work. But we have started a no-spend tracker. We cannot get a hold of our finances unless we know exactly where every penny is going. So we decided to make this a little bit of fun. Let me show you. This is the October No Spend Tracker. There is 31 leaves all around the paper, one for every day in October. So when you don't spend any money that day, you get to take a pen or a crayon or whatever and color it and make it look really pretty. If you want, where you were getting this a little bit later and less planning time, you can go ahead and pick one color for no spend and one color for spending. Whatever works best for you. This is a free download on our Facebook page. So come on over to Facebook at the Budgeting Sisters and get your free no spend tracker.